What's up, Paul? How you doing, man? Ralgo. What's up, man? Good morning. How was your weekends? I'm finally starting to feel a little better. Finally. Browns W, baby. I don't even think I have to mention the Ravens this weekend. Jeesh. I actually was getting bored watching the game. Sure didn't feel like we were playing a 5-2 team, I'll tell you that. Here's my question of the day without Googling. What is the one team in now 19 starts against NFC teams that Lamar Jackson has lost to? Seth, what's up, man? How are you doing? I'm looking at MNQ. So essentially just NQ. I just trade the micros instead of the big guy. The question is, out of the I'm pretty sure it's 19 starts that Lamar Jackson has against NFC teams in his career. He has one loss. So he's now 18-1. Pretty sure that's correct. What is the one team that he lost to from the NFC? I did get a trade earlier. I literally loaded up my platform and this was happening. Just a small guy. Started with the same 3 contracts, but I guess the range is pretty small at the moment. I didn't really. Yeah. I mean, not too small, I guess. Comparison. I mean, I guess it is. Yes, futures. The Bears. Nope. I mean, it's not a question I would expect you to know the answer to. It's just it's a very random question. Just one to think about. Not many people would know it offhand. I only know it because I remember it uh because of what happened this year with one of our players. The Vikings? Nope. Come on, you can do it. Only 14 more to go. I was kind of hoping the market would hold up here. Trying to do a little finagling on my kids' accounts. I'm gonna put these cough drops back in the cupboard, which means I'll start coughing later. I mean, it's not a bad guess. It was the Giants. The only reason I knew that was because I remember them bringing it up when they were getting Odell. They were talking. For some reason, that stat came up. But then they played the stat uh, uh, around, I think, when they took Lamar out of the game. They had brought the stat up, like his record versus NFC teams, and I was like, I know who the loss is. I was thinking about trying to up my production quality, maybe putting the green screen behind me again. I haven't decided on that yet though. Just the thought process. I was actually going to start trying to do some better videos as well. Start shouting and getting all hyped like the Deckmar dude. That seems to get the viewers. Yeah, that's what that other guy does as well. Patrick Wieland. He's the one, he's basically the same guy, but he does it for futures. Yeah, market. I have a eerie feeling about the market this week. Don't feel like we're going to be going in the right direction. The hunch. Hmm. I wonder if my videos turn into 4K on the channel after they're processed. Let's go look. No, only 1440. That's interesting. So I think you can stream at 4K to change the video because I keep getting this error that pops up. It says you need to change the video resolution. The current resolution, which is 4K, is not supported for this configuration. But then expected video resolution is 1440. That's odd. I've seen other people stream at 4K. I wonder why it's telling me that I can't. Hmm. Yeah, because I wonder if it's because of the latency that I've chosen. I wonder if it has something to do with that. If 1440 is the highest I can stream, I'll just change it in OBS. But I don't want to change it in OBS because I already did everything. And then, so when you change the resolution, like everything on the OBS side, like all the sizes change. So I'd have to go back and redo it again. Plus, for all the videos that I'm making, I'd rather those be in 4K. So it's really just the stream. I mean, it's letting me stream. It just gives me this error that pops up, but I can just deal with looking at it. I mean, it's not like it's saying I need to change the video resolution, and then it's just not letting me stream. So I have so much going on this morning with the market itself. kind of glad that I definitely can't trade for the first 10 minutes because I feel like I have so much other crap that I'm trying to get done. Ugh. 'They're gapping up though, so that's good, but we kind of closed pretty heavy. Du-du, 2 minutes. Didn't you try futures for a little while? I feel like I remember that. I don't remember, but I feel like I remember. I know you were doing the options thing with the covered calls, which I'm it's funny because I'm actually looking to maybe do a little bit of that. I just paid the $3 on Webull to have real time quotes so that I can mess around with that a little bit. Even though the real time quotes shouldn't matter too much, but I just wanted to have it, and it's $3. Yeah. If I start doing the stuff, it'll be with Webull. I figured I would just try it out, see if I like it. Did you ever sell puts? That's what I'm gonna be looking to do. Sell puts, and then if I do get exercised at some point, then turn it into covered calls. Call it the wheel strategy, apparently. I mean, it makes a lot of sense, but I wanted to practice it and see how it works out. Gotcha. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with selling the covered calls. It's just you have to own the stock up front. I mean, you don't have to, from what I've read, but you kind of have to. DT. Yeah. What's up, dude? Yeah, it is. See, you should have never left. It's coming full circle. I've been doing this for almost 2 months now. Oh, wow. Float checker got shut down. Go, market, go. Go, market, go. I want to see a big upswing here. I hope this isn't like one of those little rips, and then it goes right back to the lows. Just keep going. All right, ignore my screen for a sec. We look. Okay, yeah, we made a tracement there. it's done. This isn't right. Oh, okay, I see. All right. Step 1, done. What did I say like 6+ months ago? All would be trading futures. Good luck playing NQ. It's a fucker. Just it's micros, but yeah, it is the NQ. Oh, geez, realize it was a... Why didn't you short the red band? I don't trade the first 10 minutes. First 10 minutes have proven to get me pretty good in the past. I've had moves where, because you got to think of it this way, the bands are based off of pre-market range and volatility. Yeah, what's up, man? But so right at the
So just for
open, the
fun,
bands have
I
to give
signed up for
them
one of these
10 minutes
accounts,
or
but I don't know
so.
how to download anything or do anything with it. I don't know how to get the thing down. What do I do here?
What do you mean get the thing down?
So I logged in. I signed in.
Okay, you're logged into the Apex website.
So keep trying. Apex, log in over here. All right, so you got the bullhorn, bull, logged in. Keep trying.
So funny. Sorry.
So now what do I do?
It's Apex.
So did you download Rhythmic and stuff? DT, I can hear you, by the way. I don't want you to think I can't. I'm just trying to help him.
Is that DT?
What's up, Steve?
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell? I thought you were dead.
No, just tired of certain people in your room.
But I'm here. So what are you going to do now?
And I was bored because the market's going to be slow today. So I was just checking out the room and I was like, look at all these guys going with Apex.
Let's try this thing. All right. So I
It's
downloaded
just me.
our Trader Pro Rhythmic. Yeah, that was already downloaded.
Okay.
So now we open it up.
Okay. Did you log into that?
Let's see here. So
Your log on the Apex website. When you log in, on the right side, you'll see where it says Rhythmic account.
yeah,
That's
so
your
it's got that
login
account
info.
number, and then it's got the password. Yeah. Now what?
You log in just to make sure it all logs in correctly.
But where do you log in? Like I don't see anything here. Like on my desktop, actually, it just removed it because it was already in
Do you
here.
have our trader open?
I'm not up to our Trader.
Oh, you haven't even got that far. Okay.
We're gonna download this thing one more
Oh, I
time.
thought you said you already had it downloaded.
I did, but then it said I had to remove it. So let's try it again.
It also helps if you guys don't do it to have a client and a host up. You'll get less lag.
You're too far advanced. Shut up. All right, our Trader Pro. So I got the screen here with user ID, password, user ID, password.
Yes. So, yeah.
Tim, you can trade. I can take care of it.
He's not trading.
Yeah. I'm not trading at the moment. I got another minute or so, but market is looking like it's gonna give me a trade.
So your
yeah,
user
put
ID is
that
your
info
Apex
in
account.
both.
The password is the password they gave you. Then it should
For
say
both of
Apex.
them?
Yes.
Yes,
The market data and orders.
correct.
Because I tried that before and it didn't work. But oh, Open on the
And
main
then
screen.
system should be Apex, gateway should be Chicago. Orders
Did you
orders should
Oh,
be
boy.
hit show pass on the Apex site? Because it might have something to do with that.
Oh boy.
Because if you just
I just deleted my password.
what? Just hit refresh. I'm assuming it'll come back.
There we go.
Oh, my rights have been removed in Discord. I can't talk in chat.
Alright.
Nothing.
Don't
Remove anything.
No, I just don't have
Same.
permission to that room. It's all good.
All right,
Worry about it later.
Gateway Chicago area for both.
Yeah.
Yes.
Selective load off or on?
I didn't get
Allow
to trade
plugins
that.
off.
You don't need to have is it the bottom one selected?
No, only if
Whichever
you're
one
using.
says live market.
It
You
says
don't need
orders
market.
on.
Hang on.
It says market data on.
Yeah, click that one so it's off.
Okay.
And it should like turn gray half of the login screen.
Market data should be on. Allow plugins off.
Oh, well, that's what it's got.
You don't need. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to close it and look at it.
Hold on one sec. Hold on. Hello, VIP?
You only need to use that if you're using volume
I can't hear
profile
you.
type stuff. You're only supposed to use that if you're using like volume profile and tick data type
see what I
stuff.
said.
It's more accurate.
Vending machine.
Loud.
Write your name and address. You have an account with us?
Huh?
Okay, yep. So I need your name, address, phone number, credit card, and then the billing at zip code for the credit card. Where are you from?
Oh, he's talking to.
Yep. Yeah. So make sure you
I
put the
was
billing zip
confused.
code there.
See, he's still doing dry cleaning.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'll set up the account for you. Yeah, I said, hold on, guys. Okay, so now you got an unsigned agreement prior to login.
Yes, that's what I was getting at. Yeah, you have to go through all those and sign them, or else you won't be able to trade.
All right. So I can just do all the way
That's
down.
slow. That's a one-time thing, but yeah, you have to do that.
I agree.
One time for every account.
Professional, non-professional.
I've never had to do it for other new accounts. You're always non-professional.
They always.
I mean,
don't do
Pretty
professional.
rude.
You nab for thousands of dollars.
Okay,
And
hold
you'll have
on.
to go back and re-sign those too when you get funded accounts.
All
oh
right.
well, right. But then
Now,
after you do that the first time as well, you should.
Trader
Every
dashboard.
funded account, you'll have to redo it.
Here we are.
Well, right. Yeah,
Sorry,
you're
Tim,
right.
I
You're
don't
right.
mean
You're
to
right.
step on your feet.
No, no, you're right.
I
You're
have
right.
multiple funded accounts. So I've had to do it every time.
All right. So over to the trader dashboard. Got one account here. 01. Account balance. Auto liquidate threshold. All right. Recent orders positions. Got all the stuff on the left-hand side. Dashboard. Apex Trader dashboard. This looks like a video game.
This is where you get your market data.
Yeah,
You can trade through that.
Our trader, yeah, our trader is more of like just a dashboard for everything.
Okay.
It's not what you're going to be using to trade.
Okay.
Now I use Quantower to trade, which I do recommend. It's nice. It's free. So go download it. I mean, you can use whatever you signed up for, or is it Ninja? I think you can use Ninja Trader
I
on
signed
your
up for it.
site,
I
but
signed up. This is all I did. So if you're using that, if that's the same thing you got in your screen, let's go for it. Especially if it's free. I like free.
yeah, Quantower is what it's.
What do I get?
Just one T.
Where do I get that?
Quantower.com, I guess.
Hold on.
I don't know.
Another
I've
website
looked at
here.
Quantower. It's pretty nice.
Quantower.com. Download. Download. So also download. DT, you got funded accounts?
Mm-hmm.
Have you cashed out yet?
No, I have not.
What number account are you up there?
What do you mean, funded?
Whatever, all inclusive. How many are you blown up?
Technically, I would say I've only blown up 2. The other ones,
both.
it's just at some point when they start giving out these deals, these 90% deals,
He said bullshit.
Yeah, bullshit. Go on.
and sometimes it just makes sense just to, instead of fight back for that extra $1,500, why not just blow up the account and get another one?
All right. Anyway, extract,
It's
cancel.
what everyone does, man.
We're gonna extract this.
I have enough I could withdraw money,
All
but
right.
I don't want to.
I'm just waiting to hear the band.
Okay, so what
Sorry, I
number
didn't-
account does
what
it
does
say
that
there?
even look
Apex
like?
what?
I am on 8.
You must install .NET Desktop Runtime to run this application. Yeah, that sounds legit. We'll do that too. What the hell else am I downloading here? Gosh, what'd you get me
That
into
would have been
here?
good. It's just a minute. Should just be downloading Quantower.
I didn't have a .NET apparently.
Yeah, it's common.
This computer literally had nothing on it.
Yeah,
Now I've got all these little icons.
Tim uses his computer more often, so he probably has more.
Installation was
whatever .NET he'll
successful.
need.
Okay, so that's done. So now what? Now I can open up a Quantower.
Open. Yep.
I got like another 20 minutes to get this thing started. Then I got to go get my rep together for my driver.
You're basically there.
Woohoo!
You just got to sign in Arithmic once it loads up.
Oh, that's a good sound. DX feed simulated or Binance? Try out Quantower.
Neither. Neither.
I don't get that choice. I just
So
maybe just exit. I'll just exit.
just click. Yeah, I
Too
mean,
late.
you don't need
Exit.
either of those. That's fine. So up in the top right, I mean, on the top of your screen, you should have like a long bar.
I got a long bar on the top of the screen.
Yeah. On the right side, like 80%, 90% of the way over, you'll see it says Rhythmic.
Yes,
Probably says
disconnected.
disconnected. Yep, click it.
Okay, and now what?
And it should pop up a screen. You hit, I don't want to disconnect, but
So I
you
got to.
basically have to sign in there and connect to Rhythmic through there. Essentially the same way you did RTrader, I'm assuming.
I don't
I
know.
don't remember what it looks. Oh, actually, hold on.
Yeah, I got to sign
Yeah,
in
so
here.
it should say
Okay.
user password,
Yeah.
and then for server, put Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago.
Hold on. User is the same user as before, or it's
Yes. Yep. Yeah. Yep.
oh
Yep.
man,
Same thing you use for RTrader.
there it is. Okay, so good thing I had that screen up. Do you guys remember these things, or you have them all saved?
No. Yeah, it's all saved.
I should probably do that.
But it's on Apex's site there, so
Yeah.
it'll always be on there on the right
So
side.
you want to do Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago?
Yes.
Where'd
And then hit connect.
hold on a second, I
Yeah.
lost it.
I'm surprised you got Steve to do this stuff.
You know what? It's $17 right now.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. I never asked him to.
No.
This is all on his own.
No, it's like, all right, you know what? This looks like fun.
That's why I started doing it a long time ago.
Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. Yeah, but you haven't made any money on it yet, you loser.
Yeah. Did you happen to watch my video, DT, about my the first account that I had?
No, I watched one when I looked back at your channel and I saw that you had the Apex code, and I just fucking fell on the floor laughing. Not, I was just like, I knew it.
So my
But I
my
haven't
very
watched it.
first account, I got it funded, and I got all the way to payout. I actually got to like $3,600 in profit, and I was running a strat where I was making $300 a day, but I
Hold
had to.
on.
It was like
This is
another.
important. Market data connection
see it.
login failed. Please contact the FCM IB who issued your login ID for assistance.
It's going to be the point where I got to share a screen to get Steve set up.
Yeah, I don't know. what it shouldn't say that. Did you on? Is it Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago area or area summary? I see there's two. I
Rhythmic
guess make
Paper
sure
Trading
it's the first one.
Chicago.
But yeah, if you click on it, it looks like there's two of them. I
So
guess
there's
make sure you're
Rhythmic
on the right
01
one.
Chicago area. Let's see what this is.
I think that somewhere it says you have to use the one that says paper trading.
Yeah, that's what
I
I
don't know
got.
which one to use with Quantum. Apex has their own servers, so
Or just try the Chicago one, the
Oh,
regular one.
let's see here.
I don't remember which one I used,
Connecting
but
to
that's just
Rhythmic
the one I had
services.
selected.
Disconnecting. Connection error. Wait for it to disconnect.
Okay, yeah. So I just disconnected to check it. Mine's just the regular Apex Chicago area is what it says.
All right, I gotta wait for the same to
So
disconnect.
there's one that says Apex Chicago area.
Yeah, I saw that one. I didn't. You chose that one because you didn't tell me to.
Oh, well, I told you to choose the other one, but that's because I thought that's the one it was.
Nope.
It does take a while to connect once it does.
It says disconnecting again. I'm not in Chicago. Why is it
Yeah, but I
33?
think that's the only one they have.
Why is the thing going to be 33.40 next month if it's 16.70 for the first one?
90 a month and then 50 every hour or 80 after. Depends on the deal he has.
Well, no, he's talking about for the eval account. It's just the way that they do it. When they're doing a sale, they just, I don't know, they always double it for the remaining months. It's just how they do it.
All right, again, didn't work.
I mean, I don't really know. Worked for everyone else that's asked.
Well, that's rude.
Steve, when you have time, you're gonna have to share your screen. Are you trying to
I'll share my
connect to
screen right
Quantum?
now.
Are you trying to do Quantum
Yeah,
or
share it.
Rhythmic?
He's trying to get Rhythmic,
Oh, connected.
the server in Quantower. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here, here's my screen. Can you see that?
Yeah, go to Quantower. Yep.
See that?
Yeah, so that says Rhythmic 01. Change that to Apex. Find where it says Apex. That's the first word. There you go. Apex. Go up. Is there one above that? Try that one.
Oh,
Amazing what share screen does.
Well, I knew he was doing clicking something wrong.
whatevs.
That's fine.
Sup,
Got it. That's all that matters.
sup, frog.
What up? What up?
Now what?
All right, top left, see where it says CHT? Click it.
Oh, look at that.
There's your chart. See the top right of the chart?
I'm not trading the New
There's
Zealand
the
dollar.
5 symbols. But yep, the one all the way to the right. Click the one all the way to the right. Here's your order entry.
Oh.
Now, see in the top right-hand corner where it says account? It looks like they already got it in there. Right under it, yep. So if you click that, if you have multiple accounts, it would show them all there.
Okay. Not ready for that yet.
No, I know. See I think it's the red one that says ACC up in the top? Up top? All the, the bar up top. Like the bar where you click chart up top. Yeah. Left. See the red symbol? It says ACC. I think that one. Yeah. So that one is like your account information. So you can see how much is in the account, what the max loss is. See it where it says max account balance 47.5.
Yep.
Yeah, and status active. So if you ever get close or whatever, and that changes the admin, that's how you know you blew it.
Okay.
So if you want to start organizing this on your screen, like how you would want to keep this, those are, see the yellow one that says POS? Yep, click that one. Yep, you're going to want to have that one up. And then I think from there, those are the three main windows that I have up. Everything else is just stuff that I've accumulated from like the copy trader, the watch list,
I don't want to trade the New
alerts
Zealand
thing.
dollar though.
No, so just click on that.
Type in NQ.
And then just type in, yeah, NQ or MNQ, whatever you want.
Put quantity 10 and buy bid.
You know, you're not getting my $17 here. You don't want me to blow
So
it
right
up
there,
just yet.
yes, that one right there. Where it says front month. That one, that way you'll always have the current month, current quarter, I should say.
It didn't change.
Did you click? Try again. Double click it.
That's the old one. He's not on the December.
But when he clicks front month, it should just give him the right one. It should always give you the current quarter.
Gonna do 3?
It should be, I think it's yeah, just click that one for now.
Z3 or Z4?
Yes, Z3.
Is that right?
Yep. So then you can make it big. The charts work just like TradingView charts. So if you've ever used those, you can kind of figure that out.
How do I get those rubber bands
If you
that you
use the
have?
mouse, hold on. So if you mouse wheel on the chart, you'll see that it gets bigger and smaller. And then if you mouse wheel on the price scale on the right, it'll not drag and click. It's like your mouse wheel.
I don't have a
Go
mouse.
up and down with your mouse wheel. What?
I don't have a mouse wheel.
Oh, you trackpad.
It's this, yeah.
Never mind then. That you'd have to figure out on your end. If you click and drag up and down on the price scale, it should do the same thing.
What did I just do?
Like if you go over to the price scale.
What is this?
That's your current mouse pointer position.
There we go.
Oh yeah. I don't even know how you did that.
I got skills.
You
I did. I
hold
took because I dragged it
up.
from up here. All right. Hold on.
Oh.
I'll be happy.
Steve's mind is blown.
Yeah. What's up? Hey, how are you? Good.
We just chop sideways all day. I'm gonna be so annoyed.
Market's going to be sideways moving.
Driver.
Balance.
Yeah, I'm always looking for drivers.
Waiting on the next news.
Ooh, we might be listening to a hiring right now.
Yeah. Yeah, if you look.
Sure. Yeah, happy to take the info. If you want to bring it, either send it to me now or give it to me Wednesday. Either way works. Yeah, this is.
Sorry, I muted him.
Good. That was annoying. Hey.
What were you saying? Usually he's not that loud when he's talking on the phone, but
no, I said we're markets in balance right now. If you even look at your higher time frames up, you'll notice that we're just basically trading in a zone. It might be a big zone, but it's trading in a zone.
I personally from
volume's always going to be low after farm data on Fridays, so they're digesting it. It's going to be slow. It's going to be choppy.
From looking at the chart itself, I personally think we're going to be heading down here shortly.
Could be.
But that's just my presumption.
NQ will fuck you in the ass and.
Well, MNQ is fine. NQ, however, is.
Yeah, I usually trade oil and RTY as my biggies.
Gotcha.
They're more.
I'm essentially trying to trade this the exact way I was trading stocks, and it's been working when I follow the rules. Hold on, I think. Trying to talk to us, Steve?
Yes.
I muted you because you were being like super loud.
Talking to you.
Well, you were being like really loud while you're on the phone there. Okay, so real quick, position those on your screen where you want them.
What?
Like just at least for now, like the chart, the position screen, and the account summary. Just kind of put them where you want. I was going to show you how to make this a little bit easier.
I mean, this is fine where it is here. Positions down here. What was that other thing you had for me?
Well, snap it in there. You might have it open still. Like go up a little because you're overlapping. Positions box. Like go up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it snapped. The account summary. You might still have it open. Hover over bottom right.
Is that this thing?
Hover bottom right over the Quantower symbol. On yep. There.
No, I closed it.
Click on connections and X the connections one out. You don't need that.
Which one?
I don't want it to bind by accident. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's account ACC, the red one.
Yeah, no, I closed that.
Yeah, just put it where you want real quick. So now right click on the top of one of these windows. And it should say bind. Yeah, create bind, the second one. Now just drag your mouse over all three of them. Like click and drag. Yep. And then just let go. And then bottom right, see where it says create bind? There you go. So now it gives you like a window and you can put that window where you want it.
Okay.
Which it can snap to the top toolbar, which is what I usually do. Just that way you can have it maximized, or you can just hit the maximize button. But okay. And then I believe it's a right click. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, okay. Right click indicators. It's like midway down. Add indicator. Type in Keltner. Kelt. Click it. And then top left on the chart. Oh, it popped up. Never mind. So I have it set to 13.
Yes. Period.
Yep. Yes. And then 2.5 is the first one. Is it okay? I mean, you can go through and change the appearance if you
Where do you see okay?
You might have to scroll down. Actually, I don't think you have to do any of that. You just X out of it.
Solid color.
Yeah, like you can change all that. Like I don't have it visible, the middle line visible on both. And then like I just did red for the top and green for the bottom. Just I don't know. It's just personal
Should we
preference.
add time frame? What's this?
No, don't worry about that. That's like if you want to change, like put it on a specific time frame. And then do it again. So right click, indicators, add indicator. $13 and $4. That's what I have up.
How do we zoom in here? This is way too.
So click and scroll, like click and drag. No, I don't know
Probably
how
gonna
to
be
do it
just
without a mouse
two
wheel.
fingers, like you're squeezing in on a photo
Oh
on a phone,
yeah.
probably.
Yeah, I don't know how you do it with. Oh, there you go.
You could also use the time frames on the bottom to stretch it out. Left click on the time frames on the bottom.
There we go.
Well, yeah, if there, I
Now
was gonna
go
say
over,
if you
go over to the numbers row on the right where the prices are. See the big number rows on the right?
Yep, you can do the same
Now
thing.
click and drag there.
Not the you're dragging a line. Get off the line.
No, that's his price.
That yellow line.
His,
Oh, that's
yeah,
his
mouse
cursor. Yeah. Okay.
Sometimes control mouse pointer does it too. It depends on the platform.
All right.
Yeah, but I mean, at this point, you know what I look for.
So if we're looking at this thing, so right now, oh, where's that middle line?
There, it's the orange one.
That this orange one here?
Yep.
All right. So it's in the middle of nowheresville. It's like so far away from everything right now.
Yep. Essentially. It's patience. I missed that top trade. If you look at it.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
On that. Where you are, Steve?
Oh no, it wasn't
double
you.
Double click on that for me.
What? This?
Right where you're at. Just double click. There you go.
There you go. Yeah, it resets it so it looks right. It actually looks like we might make a down move.
All right. Now, how do I put an order in? This thing here?
So yeah, you would change the quantity. You're on the MNQ, so for every point it goes, it's $2. Yeah. So every contract, for every point that it goes, it's $2.
Okay. And then what? If I want a long, I hit ask.
Yeah, so you can if you scroll down on that, this is why I wanted you to make the chart bigger. There's like a market button underneath that, like that. All the keys that you need are actually underneath that, like the flatten button, cancel orders, like all of it's underneath that.
So this really needs to be bigger, huh?
Yeah, just maximize it. Then I would like move your positions window to the side. Oh, you're not. You're gonna have to unbind it, unlock it.
How do you do that?
That should be just a right click. Oh, up top, straight up, all the way up. See the little lock looking button right next to that. So unlock it. Should be able to drag the window.
That was trading is unlocked.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, yeah. So right click where it says bind. Look top left. Down a little. Right click or that, yeah. Unbind. I don't think you need everything on that positions. Like I only have 5 things. It's account, symbol, side, quantity, and gross P&L. So if you right click one of those, try right clicking underneath, like in the blank area. Or that, yeah. So now just click all the ones you don't need there. Whatever you just did.
Let me just make
Get that
let
straight.
me make it bigger so I can see what I'm doing here.
So right, yeah.
Hold
So
on.
I have account, symbol, side, quantity, and then open, or it says gross P&L. So you don't need that one. Get rid of the. That's what I'm saying. You can get rid of pretty much all these. No, keep the gross P&L one, and then pretty much all the other ones you can. You're going to be able to see all this in R Trader as well.
Our trader's your final.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know,
like
but
R Trader, like if for some reason you were having problems with Quantower, you can go into R Trader and
I'm
do
It's
everything.
I'm
only
not worried
usually
about that. I just want it to be active. Like when I'm in a position, I want to see what's going on.
Well, right. That's not. I was giving you what you need to see in order for that to happen. That's you just needed those 5 things. And you might be able to like pull out the account call. I don't know if you can. I've never tried.
No, I mean this is fine. I think. What else do I need from here?
Yeah, but so like when you're in a position, like if you want to hit flatten, like that just gets you out of the position pretty much. And then there's like cancel orders is a good one to have up. I like to have that one up. I mean, you can click everything if you want, but I mean, how I trade, it's nice to have those there so I can make the decisions quicker, not have to like go onto the chart and click the X and stuff like
All right.
that.
So if I'm in a position and I'm buying if I'm going long, I'm hitting the ask over here. Or,
Yes.
okay, and I'm buying it right then and there. How do I set in a limit there? Because this says set buy limit order on ask price.
Um, I don't know how to type it in to be completely honest, but if you go straight up, see those 5 symbols above the account
Hold,
there?
hold
If
on,
you click
hold
on
on,
the
hold
mouse,
on, hold on. Hello, VIP? Let me
muted him. I don't know why he's so much louder on the phone today.
Is he normally sitting at his PC though?
No, yeah, that's usually the case.
He's probably sitting in his garage. Yeah, Quantum wasn't around. They didn't get all that stuff until they got their own servers with Rhythmic.
Yeah.
Quantum has some nice, I think, some nice volume profile stuff, but I'm not sure if you probably have to pay more for that.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
do.
it's the same thing with Ninja. They want you to get a lifetime license, and I'm not paying $2,000 for a lifetime license.
Oh no, me neither. I pay it's like 20 or 15 a month I think to get these alert things that I wanted, but I mean that's the most I'd be
fine.
paying. I
It
don't
is what
even
it is.
need it to be honest, but it's nice like if I'm in the kitchen or something and I hear it go off, I'm like, oh, okay, I can run back in.
So what's this? This tells you
All right,
how many seconds are left in the candle?
yes.
Cool.
All right, so straight up on the order screen, you'll see that it looks like a mouse,
Straight
Steve.
up.
The 5 symbols, right? Yep, right there. Click that.
This thing?
The mouse, yeah, that one. Yes. So now if you hover over the chart, wherever you click, it's going to put a stop limit order. So you can place an order wherever you want. So if you left clicked, it'll put a buy limit order. Yeah, so definitely hit don't show again. Because you don't want that popping up every single time. So yeah, just hit yes. No, you can hit yes. You're not gonna get filled. So it puts an order out there. So if that's where you can do this above or below the price, it's completely up to you. So that's a limit to go long. So now if you right click, which if you want to go ahead, it'll put a sell order. Now, the reason I said having the cancel orders button available is because now you could just hit cancel orders. I mean, I guess you could set up hotkeys if you want to, but you can scroll down on that too if you had to. But yeah, just hit don't show again for all those, by the way, so that you don't ever get caught in a situation where you're trying to cancel an order and that pops up.
Oh, okay, hung up. Okay.
Under his account,
Hold on.
should he have a SIM account? Then you don't have to.
Hold on one sec. Hold on.
I mean, these are some
Hello,
accounts.
VIP?
Well, I get that, but
Hello.
I'd rather pay $17 and have the chance of getting funded
I
versus
apologize. We'll
just
pick it
trading
up
the same
today.
account.
I told him. I mean, I
We'll pick it up
totally
today.
understand all that stuff. I'm saying under his account, he should have a SIM account, so he doesn't have to worry if it's going against his.
Yes, we'll pick it up today.
Oh, yeah. I mean, one
You're welcome.
contract to MNQ isn't going to kill him either. So
True.
I've been making sure that he doesn't misclick in that aspect.
All right. I'm back. We got like 5 minutes. What else?
I mean, that's it.
Cool.
I mean, what questions do you have? I mean, I think if you use the mouse trading, it'll be best for you because
This?
you can put orders where you want to get filled. Yeah. So if you were to get into a position, you can use that to put an order like where you want to get out as well. So like if you put like left click down there, it'll put the order out. And then when you're in the position, like say you wanted to try to get back up to that previous resistance or support area, you would then right click and it'll save it. I wonder why yours disappears. Mine stays active.
No,
The
it's
mouse
right
thing.
here.
Did you? No, I meant the mouse trading. So like it shouldn't have went away after you clicked.
Guarantee it's the settings.
Like when I click mine and I put an order out, it stays active, so I could put multiple orders.
So now left click is a buy, is a long, and a right is
Yeah.
a short.
Correct. Well, if you're above the price, yeah. But if you're in a position, you would also right click to sell, like put a sell order out.
But if I left click, I would add to it.
Correct. If you're long, yeah. Oh, you just got into a position.
Did I?
Yeah.
How do I get out?
You can hit flatten if you want.
Am I up?
That would work.
Am I down?
It looks
You're
like
up right now.
look to the left side.
You're down now.
Look at your account thing. See it? It says your gross P&L. See how it's going up and down
look.
at your unrealized.
So flat will get me out whenever I want.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm winning.
It's essentially a market order.
Market orders though. Watch out for the slip.
Yeah, like if you want, you could like sit your cursor on like sell ask. So like if it starts to go up, you could hit sell ask. Yeah, see you want to definitely get rid of all those checkboxes. Cuz like right there if you're trying to get out while it's dumping,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden that pops up and you're going to get screwed. So right click on the chart.
Hold on. Let's cancel all the orders here first.
Yeah, you must have hit like a hotkey or something to get in because I didn't see you click
You
anything.
may have double clicked. 'Cause I don't know.
I
what
don't
to
know.
do.
So I
You made
tried to act.
$3.98.
So
Wow.
here's what I did: is I used my finger because it's a touch screen, and I slid up by the ask in the cell, and I must have that must have did it. So I'm gonna have
So
to use
you're gonna have to watch out because if you're using a touchpad, you
yeah,
probably have touch tap on. Meaning, if you tap, it's gonna be a left click.
yeah. But I'm winning. Look at this. I'm up.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Well,
I am a great trader.
go into your rhythmic and see what you actually make because there's gonna be commissions.
Where's that?
See the
He'll be
white
up like
screen behind
$1 or
you?
$2.
Rhythmic trader. Go to our trader. Click that.
Yeah, just
What?
yeah, it's fine. Just hit OK. It's just because it was inactive. Just click over there and get back into it.
It was logged out.
What do I do
What the
now?
heck? You should definitely save the info. Well, you got to put the info
You have
back
to
in.
sign all that stuff
Oh,
in.
you
should
know
be able to
why?
save
Because
it
I
in
told
our
you.
trader.
No, so I told you you got to keep the market data.
Well,
So
fuck.
just fill out the top one. Oh yeah, I guess
You
you're gonna have
hit
to.
sign back in.
Yeah, but I know why I did it because when he logged into Quantower, it's using the Rhythmic
You
connection,
might not
so it
wanna-
logged him out. That's
I'm
why I
not gonna
said you
use
have
it.
to
I
have
would never
the.
do it, but you are sharing a screen that's gonna have your password on it that someone could sign into your account.
Oh yeah, just turn your screen off for a sec while you sign in. But
No,
no, hold on.
you
Go to
can't.
Rhythmic, the Rhythmic
See?
login real quick.
But you click
As
show
long as it
password
lets you
when they're
copy
gonna
paste
need
it like
to know
that.
what it is.
Why do I need to show
It might
pass
let
to
you
see it?
copy
I copy
paste
and
like that.
paste.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so fill out the top one, and then
Ah, fuck. The V again. I always do that.
I would never do it, but
all right. Now see the bottom where it says market data on. Click that. No, don't do the bottom
What
one.
did I do?
Don't do the bottom one. Go back to the Archer. See where it says market data on? Click that. No. Yes, click it. Yes, hit OK. Now hit login.
Well, how about this first?
Yeah, remember is it's a good one.
you guys do it.
Well,
You
fuck.
wanna do it.
Yeah, just stop the stream for a second. You can always bring it back.
What the hell are you gonna do with my password? Really, bro?
I mean, I don't care.
I said I would
I'm
never use it even if I had it.
yeah. I don't think you have to worry about us. Froggo, on the other
Who knows
hand.
about Froggo? He's never even shown a picture of himself.
I'm not even watching it.
All right. So yeah, see, this will tell you everything. So if you look to the right, you'll see where it says P&L total commission.
Okay.
There should be a column.
He's got to scroll to the right.
Yeah, I think you just have too much up there. There should be one that says P&L. Well, no. Okay, so P&L is how much it is after commissions. So you're up $3.98.
Go me.
And you can always look. Oh yeah, see where it says account balance. You can always look at that too.
Yeah, because
That's
I
the
was at
final. So
4.
where it says
Yeah.
50,003. Yeah.
You always.
So you were probably at what
It was like
$5 exactly.
It was like $4.55 when I closed it out.
Yeah, it says so it would be 398 plus 102.
Yeah.
So it's $5.
There we go.
So right click on the chart real quick. One last thing. Go to settings all the way at the bottom. Go to visual trading. It's like right in the middle on the left. Trades on the left. And then click show trades. So that way now you'll be able to see the trades.
Look at that.
And you can change the colors of those and stuff if you want to.
Look at the mastery over there.
Shorted away.
So did I short or long at first? What did I do?
You longed it.
Oh, I should have stayed in.
Or at least I think you did. There's up top, see the yellow button? It says ORD, O-R-D.
I thought he longed it too.
Go to, should be one that says, oh, it's on the position screen. X out of that. This would be good to have up though, by the way, because it'll show you if you have any orders. Yeah, see where it says
Isn't that this?
wait. It should say orders history.
That's the same thing as this.
Yeah, it is. But that's where I thought it would be.
Mine is called executions.
Is there one that says trades? Oh, well, there's that if you wanted to keep that up, but that's
annoying.
I remember having that up, but it was kind of a pain.
All right, I guess I have to play around with this stuff.
There's one. Oh, hold on, I think I found it.
Do you have an execution tab somewhere?
Nope, that's not it.
This.
Wait, position. No, it's not. Somehow where my position, I wonder if I just have it all dragged into the same thing. So hit the orders one again.
What I just
ORD.
do?
I don't know. Oh, you're getting, yeah, that's your order screen.
I need
you want to
that.
keep that up. So hit the orange or green or yellow. I mean, it says order ORD. Now try dragging that. So click your position screen again. You're gonna have to drag that down so you can see it, because it's gonna disappear.
What do you mean position screen?
Like drag it down. Drag that down to where it's, yeah. Now see the positions one on the bottom left?
Yeah.
Click that. Now click the working orders one again and try to drag that like it's a tab into that window. Yeah, there we go. So now see how it made a tab?
Yeah.
So there's one that's trades. I don't know where that's at though. Let's see. Okay, I found it. So top left, the symbol, like the Quantower symbol, click it. See the yellow? Or it's TRD. Yellow. Yep. You're colorblind, aren't you? There it is.
Maybe.
All right, so now drag that down in there as well. Yeah, that's what I did. So now when you make a trade, you can click on that and you can see like what you did. It'll even have the gross in there. See how it says $5
Yeah.
and everything.
All right.
So it looks like you actually went short. That's what I was curious. It looks like the first order you went short. And then when you bought back is when you made the $5.
Look at me. I'm a monster trader.
Yeah, you can expand that to the right and see where it says date time. It'll probably tell you which one came first. You could probably just do the date time one. You don't have to do the whole thing. It's to the left.
Yeah, nice theater.
Got to be a popular room here this morning.
All right. Well, we'll keep this down here. The old trades don't matter. The current one does. All right. Cool.
Then once you have it how you want it, you can bind it again, and it'll make that little window for you just to make everything easier. So
where's that
you
binding
right-click
strip?
just right-click any of the top bars. Yeah. Yep, create bind. Just drag on them. Bottom right, create bind. Oh wait. Oh, it's because you're overlapping. So it's saying you can't overlap. Yeah, you're just gonna have to finagle with it.
I don't know. Steve's using a real platform. Have you used a real platform before, Steve?
Shut your face.
I meant, when's the last time you used it? You've been using your phone with E-Trade.
Nah, I use E-Trade on the computer whenever I'm here.
Yeah, but I'm not sure how E-Trader. It's been a while since I've used E-Trader.
You've been short 2 hours ago and mean
Yeah, I
profits.
use E-Trade. I don't know about E-Trader.
2 hours
Bet you
ago,
get in on
you'd
this one?
be almost red now. Didn't come that close to my bands.
So why are my bands different than
You only-
yours?
Shouldn't be.
It hit my band.
You had. It's interesting. If you look at my screen, it didn't. even really get close.
All right. Well, I appreciate the lessons. I got to go get my route in order. I'll see if I have time to come back.
One last thing, and then you can go.
How do I save this? Is
where
this
the
saved?
yeah, it auto saves.
Okay.
Top left where it says Keltner twice
Keltner
on the chart.
twice. Yeah.
Hover over the 2.5 one and hit the little settings wheel. The left, see it, the little cog wheel. Close.
Oh, I only have
simple,
two. I only have two.
unavailable data.
I have
Oh,
two,
there you
not
go. That's
2.5.
why.
2.5.
Yeah. Yeah. And now it shouldn't.
And now it
There you
didn't
go.
hit. There you go. That makes sense. I should get in now. It's right by this band.
Sure, the bands
Don't be me,
bands
Steve.
are always
Best.
correct.
Vash, that's what you did last week about 20 times.
I'm not saying the bands are always correct because they put you in some hairy spots every once in a while, but they're right a lot.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna close this.
Yep, just exit. It'll save it for you.
If I close this,
Yeah, our trader, I can show you all the other stuff that you want to have up later.
I don't want to close that. So now how do I open up again? I open up both of these.
Just double click them. Yep. You don't need to have our trader pro up, but I always have it up just in case. Because you never know what might happen, you know.
There's also a flatten button in the Apex website that you will need because our trader will go down. It happens usually. Like it just happened not too long ago.
Yeah, there was people dealing with it. It's weird because it didn't go down for me.
It won't for everybody, and you hear a lot of people bitching. I think it's you don't know what country they're in.
Yeah, when you load this one up, Steve, it always takes like 20, 30 seconds. It'll kick in.
Yeah,
Okay.
I go log in differently. I still log in the old way, and I
It says it's connected.
Yeah, just let it connect.
because I use a host and a client, our trader.
Yeah, I've seen people doing that.
Well, that was the old way how Apex used to do it before they got their own server.
Right.
Oh, gotcha.
You used to have a host and a client, so you had to have. And I've been continuing to use it, and I've never had issues. Even when other people were reporting issues, I still don't have issues. So I don't know. I just keep using it.
Yeah, why not?
All right, so I'm in. So that's all I gotta do to open up, huh?
That's it.
Cool.
Yeah, the setup's daunting, but once you get there, you're good to go.
Be interesting how Steve Way works, because he's not going to be able to hold through the pain.
No. This is a whole different process.
Okay, good, because it's once you have a $50,000
Yeah, the trailing
account,
drawdown
right?
gets you.
Yeah, you're gonna have once it hits 2,000, it's gonna auto close you.
Yeah.
20. It's 25.
Well, usually right around 2,000 is when it's gonna get cut off, unless he has it set up in our trader.
No, they're pretty good about it. I have a little bit of experience with it.
All right.
So what do the other people think of this?
No one else really pays attention.
They're more of I'll pay attention when you're making money kind of thing.
Yeah, typical. Good luck, Steve.
Yeah, I mean, it's Thomas is cool about it. Jag isn't really around that much to care.
Yeah.
But Devin's the I'll believe it when I see it.
Yeah. We all know how Devin is.
Which is fine. I mean, I don't necessarily disagree with him, but this is no different than trading stocks. Like if I feel like I have a strategy that can work, then yeah.
There's just a lot of rules you got to get around. That's all.
Yeah, a lot of people that complain about the rules are usually the people that just aren't consistent anyway. And that's why I keep saying, like, if you're consistent, you don't have to worry about the rules.
Then they get
most
more
of the time.
rules when they get a funded account. Like, what? I got to trade for 10 days before I can get a payout, and it has to be over.
I can't make it all in one trade. What?
That's how you get funded.
It's like, yeah, you go. Well, yeah, it's funny because it's because they know you're gonna pay them more money that way.
A lot of them see. At least Apex has you can do 2 payouts a month, and you have to have 10 trading days in between those before you do a payout. A lot of the other ones,
which it's the only way you can.
So a lot of them will only give you 1 payout a month, And if you hit that, so say your payout is on the 15th of the month and your 10th trade of the month is on the 16th, you won't get a payout till next month.
Yeah, you got to wait the whole month. Yeah. And they do that because they plan on you blowing the account
Exactly.
before you get to the
you got to
payout.
play they're playing games with you. You just got to play their game.
Yep.
That's what I was saying in the beginning when a lot of people are like, "What the fuck is this shit?"
Well, no one really understood it. That was the thing. Plus, we were still making money trading the way that we were trading.
Yeah, it
So
just got real difficult, didn't it?
yeah, I mean, the opportunities straight up just disappeared.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna take a break from talking.
Yeah.
I could feel my throat getting scratchy again.
Yeah.
And you just got to worry about how long this is going to be around.
Well,
Apex.
that's been my thing.
Apex is
Yeah.
gotta
No,
make
I
your
know.
money while you
That's
can. I mean, I think if you went to like
Yeah.
Top Step or something, you could do it, but because Top Step's been around for ages, it just costs more.
Well, Top Step, the reason the thing is, what I keep saying about all of them is they weren't that popular and that used, and that they weren't being talked about as much. But now there's a lot of people using them, and they're taking a lot of money out of the actual market. So I'm pretty sure the SEC's like, yo,
Yeah, it's yeah. Well, yeah, I remember you had all these retail traders that were making money, and then all of a sudden they're like, "Wait a minute, this isn't the market I'm used to." And then it's so enticing when they're saying, "Here, we'll give you you know, whatever paper trade account, and if you can make money, we'll pay you." So they're making, that's
yeah, I mean sorry, I had to spit out some phlegm. That's the appeal, is that you pay $17, and then if you get funded, just say you pay the lifetime of 135, you're $150 in, but you have a chance to make $2,000. And if for some reason you make a really bad trade and you lose that $2,500 on the trailing drawdown or whatever, like you didn't lose $2,500, you lost 150.
exactly.
And that's the huge appeal, because it's like you only got to make it work one time, and you essentially pay for everything plus some. And then it's like if you can keep compounding that, then you're good to go.
Yeah. The possibility is there, but the chances are people are going to screw it up.
Oh yeah, 100%. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm test subject A.
Yeah.
Literally made it to payout where I was essentially at
treat it like
2 payouts.
you treat it like how I was, where I'm only trying to I generally make about 200 a day, or I lose 200 a day, and then that's all I do. Then I stop. Some people just keep going and going and going and fuck it all up,
Right.
or get stuck in a revenge trade and blow it up.
No one in this room would do that.
And mine happened so fast.
Yeah.
So
Man,
when I
especially for an
didn't get
NQ,
to
man, it'll fuck you hard. ES
Yeah.
can do the same thing.
So I was trading the NQ 5
Push it forward.
contracts, but I was going for 12 ticks. And I was just essentially trading the open. And I did really well. I didn't lose. I think I won like 28 times in a row, because like the market would open and it would just shoot one direction, and it would work.
Yeah. Or
Then that started to stop working. Like it started to chop a lot right at the open. But I was doing so well, but what I was doing, I was putting a bracket order in long and short. And what happened was I got filled long, and it came back, took my stop out for the long position, but at the same time I still had my order out for the short position, and it was right underneath
exactly
the stop order, Yeah. So it basically reversed my position and then shot straight back the other way and filled that. And
that's
my stop loss for those was $1,500. It was $3,000 gone
yes,
instantly.
yes.
It was like literally 30
That's why I
seconds.
don't, and that's why I don't like NQ. It can do that to you all the time.
Yeah, it was brutal. I was literally like in the back of my head, I was like, I had a long talk, like even with the wife and like one of the other guys at trade. I was like, maybe I should just slow down and make sure I get the payout, and then I can continue like just try to build it back up after that. And I was like, well, no, I believe in the system. The system's working. Like, let's just keep going, and then when we get the payout, like I'll have a nice cushion, and we can just keep going that way. And then that day happened, and that all went kablooey.
Yeah.
It was very frustrating. I was there. I was at payout. I had it was like 3 more days, and I was like, oh, I'll just keep going. Like I'll act like there is no payout, and I have just because I wanted to build a cushion anyway because I paid for the lifetime on that account. So I was like, let me just keep going, build the cushion, take the payout, and then because I was never planning on taking a double max loss in one day. Like it was I took that one trade and then X'd out of the software like immediately. And but it was a freak accident. I mean, not a freak
That'd be
accident, but
interesting. Yeah, I still
it sucked.
do the monthly, the 85 a month. Um, just because it's just too easy. I just think of it as a software cost. Because in stocks, it still costs
Yeah.
you $125 a month. Do it a
Yeah.
few
Well,
times until you get it, and then maybe think about doing a lifetime.
yeah. Well, this time around when I fund these accounts, I'm gonna be doing lifetime because I am not trading the NQ anymore. So if I blow an account trading the MNQ, then I just suck.
Yeah, I just don't like. You'll notice that the volume gets weird on the minis or micros, whatever they're called, on the MNQ.
Yeah, I
The
mean,
MNQ is
I've never
usually
really
pretty
had an
good
issue with them.
on that. So is the MES. But once you start getting into the other ones,
Well, I'm not gonna get into the
yeah,
other
you
ones.
say that now.
I'm not leaving the MNQ. If it's working, I have no reason to. I just add more accounts. I don't need to
Yeah, it just
try to
gives you more,
scale.
you know, possibilities. Once you start trading gold and oil, oil's pretty easy.
What's gold? What's oil?
GC.
I'm kidding. I
Nothing.
don't. I'm just saying. I'm not trading it. I've watched it a couple times. I just have no interest. Like I remember watching the
Gold's way
ES and
different.
stuff, and it's
Gold's
just
way different. You know, it's fucked me.
well, that's
Oil's
what I'm
nice.
trying to say is like I'm looking for those high volatility type moves, and I don't. You're not really getting those
No, you know,
on a
depends on. I get it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like I love the fact that I can sit here and just watch one chart all day. Like
Yeah,
it's so much
that's why
easier.
I did it.
That's what a lot of the traders do. They master Facebook, Apple, Tesla. They
Yeah.
master it, and that's all they trade.
Yeah, that's
The only
Yeah,
thing they
but if
trade.
you're trying to trade volatility,
yeah. It's hard to get.
Well, those all have
that's the
volatility.
problem.
Those all
Not
move
all the
dollars
time.
every day.
So yeah, but if you trade
Yeah, but
say you
not
just
in the
traded
way that
AMD, not every day is there going to be a lot of volatility. You know, you have to be there to capitalize when there is volatility on it. You can't just trade
But
just
right.
if you're mastering that, you don't need the volatility because you can just go a little bit larger if you know how it's going to run.
Yeah, if you know how it's going to run, you always think you know, and then it doesn't.
Well, that's why these people are professionals and we're not.
Yeah, and it's also you have to have more money to trade large caps too. So
They're not trading their money; they're trading other people's money. And right now, so are we. Woohoo!
whatever you said, you're mumbly.
You're mumbly.
I know I am. I made my money. I'm done for the day. I
So
made
did
it
I.
before 9 o'clock.
I did it live. I'm a live trader.
Live paper trader, buddy.
What do you mean?
You paper traded.
Oh, is that what that was?
Everything you do on Apex is paper trading.
No different than anyone else around here.
You're trading on their servers, and then whatever money you make, they're just paying you out of their own pockets. from all the money they're making from subscriptions. Supposedly, and I haven't heard of anybody or talked to anybody, you can, after an extended period of time showing that you're profitable, they will give you an actual live account. But I don't know how true that is. That's like way down the road. I think if you're trading with them for like, say, like a year and you're constantly getting payouts, they'll probably come to you and say, hey, do you want to trade with our actual money?
Yeah, there was conspiracy theories on TradeNet about that, where they would switch you to live and then just box you, just so that way they wouldn't lose money.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. I'm fine. I don't need your live account. But, you remember, they're in it just to make money, and they're going to make their money until they can't. And then they're just going to drop it. And then everyone can be fucked.
Yeah, that's exactly what TradeNet did.
That's why it's definitely not a long-term thing.
I already sold my business because I'm going to do this full time.
Sure, you did.
Eh,
I don't believe that for a heartbeat.
me neither.
You're too Jew for that. I had a Jew question and I wanted to ask. Fuck, I'll have to remember.
Jew question. Ask me a Jew question.
A Jewish question about Jewish religion. I'll think of it at some point.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Close in. Who's next?
Is your buddy Luke's room still around?
Oh yeah.
Still finding gullible people, huh? The newest thing, if you guys haven't noticed, you're going to start seeing what they call bots, buying bots and selling bots. Have you heard about any of those yet?
It usually happens when I'm in a trade. It goes the other way.
There's a lot of people are developing these, they call them bots. They're basically buying on indicators. It's like auto.
Yeah, they're
selling.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're algos.
Yeah, well, they're not. I don't call them true algos because there's no. It is algorithmic trading.
Yeah, they're all home-based algos. There are a couple people in Luke's room that have them set up. Hold on a second.
Yeah, that's getting to be a big.
Hello, VIP?
Around the thing, and then they realize.
Make sure you got my email about stuff.
Yep, I got you on the list.
Okay, thank you. So I'm leaving for my son's wedding on Wednesday morning, but we'll be back by then.
Yep, be back in the morning before you wake up.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mazel Tov.
Okay, thank you.
Take care.
Not everyone's Jewish, Steve.
That customer is.
How do you know?
It's my customer. I know who it is.
He only serves the Jews.
No, I'll take anyone with a credit.
Wow.
I'll take anyone with a credit card.
That's the true Jewish way. If you got money, I'll take it.
Not ashamed.
Are you in a trade, Tim? Is that what that says?
I was. I'm already out.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Trying to figure out your colors.
Alright, that's done.
Yeah, it wasn't dropping as much as I wanted it to. I actually, the bottom of this wick that it just made is where I had my order originally, but it started finagling around a little too much for me, so I jumped out.
I see you have 3 accounts. Are you not trade copying, are you?
I will be. I usually am, but I have those 2 other accounts are passed, so I'm not trading them at the moment. I'm
Yeah, I
waiting to
saw
fund
that,
them. But my whole plan is to have I wanted to have 5 accounts so that way
Alright, boys, I'll be
I
back.
can continue to
Hey,
trade.
Steve.
All right, Steve. I can continue to trade the smaller size but make more.
Yeah, you're spreading
So
your
that way I
risk.
don't ever have to risk. Yeah, I don't have to risk it all
Yeah.
at once. That's why I'm not afraid to do the lifetime accounts because I'm trading such a smaller size.
True. You should.
And I'm never looking for these bigger moves either. I'm just in and out.
Yeah, I do the same thing. I usually do 10, 20 points. I only need 20 points a day. Or 120 points.
GDT, so you have to trade them for 7 days. And then they turn in and then you pay for it and it turns into a funded account. Damn, that sucked. That would have been a pretty good move down. Couldn't just do it right away.
Never does.
Obviously, I'm never looking for these bigger moves unless I scale in. Then maybe I'll like if I really like where I'm at, I'll try to keep like 1 contract, which isn't really going to do that much. All right, I am officially caught up from all that crap I was doing this morning. That feels good. Now, while we watch this come back down, good. Start looking into these options. Full screen it, see what that looks like for you. Maybe you guys can just see what I'm doing. This is just a paper account. Oh, that kind of screws up my screen, huh? Oh, you just have to look at it. So I sold some puts on the SPY and the Qs. And right now they're doing good, obviously, because the market's up. But I wanted to start looking at like the implied volatility of like actual stocks. Like I was curious because I couldn't do this over the weekend because obviously without quotes, it's kind of hard to pay attention. Wonder, you know what? Let me just make another scene real quick. That'd be easier. Let's do display. All right, so this is probably hard for you guys to see, but at least you'll get the general idea. Copy almost everything out.
Dark path of options.
All right, I think that's good. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm just kind of messing around with them.
No, they're
I'm
great
going
if you can use them.
yeah.
They're great for.
Yeah, I'm going the other way with selling them. I'm not buying them. I'm essentially trying to be the casino. not go to the casino. All right, so Tesla, I drew this line at 193. So let's see what 193s look like this week. So
Options
these
are nice if you can capture
$16.
the bigger moves. You can hold them longer, a little less risk.
Yeah, I think that's the other thing as well is like if you start off with selling puts, like right now I feel the market's going to come back down. So it's like I would never pay to get long in any stock right now, essentially. So it's like I'd be looking at lower prices. So if you sell puts, you can actually make money on the premiums while trying to get back down to the price where you'd be comfortable buying. And if for some reason you get filled down where you put your strike price, then so be it. Like you should be happy because that's where you said you'd be okay buying it in the first place. So Tesla, so this would be $16. Uses a lot of buying power though. It's an expensive, but let's just do it. Oh, I think I needed to put. We'll see if it gets filled. Actually wanted to do one further out on Tesla as well. December 1st. Same 192. You only got 190s and 195s. Yeah, but see, look, that's the thing. It's $193. Let's try that one. So this one, oh, that just fell. Okay. All right. So right now, I have 4 puts that I sold. I got these 2 Tesla ones. One expires end of this week. One expires December 1st. And I have them, if you look at the chart, this is the daily chart. There's a pretty key pivot point here, which the line is drawn at 193.72, which I don't know. Bottom of this candle is 194.07. So below, yeah, you can see it actually puts the positions on there too, which is cool. I essentially have the puts put in underneath of that line. So if we come down, I would expect it to hopefully try to bounce if we even go down within that time. But it would have to come down here by the end of this week for that first one. It would be the end of the month for that second one that we made a lot more on. Same with the SPY. SPY, I put it down below this recent pivot point down here. I just don't see this thing coming all the way back down to 420 by the end of the week. But if it does, then I want it to happen because I want to try every aspect. I don't want to just keep putting, like, at some point I'm going to take like a pretty risky trade just to get the shares. Like I want the contract to expire and I have to take the shares so that I can start trying to like actually mess with it a little bit. Because if I'm just right all the time, that's not going to help me. And the whole point of doing this on paper is to try to actually get placed or get put, whatever you want to call it. What's another stock? Amazon. That one's been pretty volatile lately. That thing's going straight up. So I started, you can see I was drawing these lines on all the charts because I was kind of looking at them all over the weekend. So Amazon under 118. It's the end of this. That's the, oh, that's, geez. Okay, so these are essentially worthless. We're at 140. I guess that makes sense. It's the end of this week. So we'd have to go further out for those. 118. See, even those, that's, I don't like that at all. I guess just because the implied volatility is not as much. Because like you go over to Tesla. Go, or what did we get Tesla? 192, 190. Yeah, the implied volatility is much higher. Deltas. I know I'm speaking gibberish. It's all still kind of gibberish to me as well. But that's crazy, the difference. Like the value for Tesla for the same strike price or strike date, or I guess just date, not strike price. It's, you get so much more money or premium What's the delta on this one? Oh yeah, the delta. I guess it's just because the implied volatility is so much lower. What's another one? AMD. I hate in the paper trading thing for Webull, you can't link the charts, which is kind of annoying. I don't know why that's not a thing, but or wait, set as a group? Oh, look, you can. Okay, I'm an idiot. That's different. Maybe it's just because it's already linked on I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It's already linked on when I go to my stock, like the stock thing. Like everything's already set that way. So that's what it was. Haircut? Did I ask for the Edgar cut? I'm confused. What did I miss? What's the market doing? It's chopping in the middle there again. That's the advantage of having those alerts, is I can just listen for it. All right. AMD implied volatility is kind of crazy. I didn't actually draw a line on this one. 90, 93, 93.67, so 93. Obviously a day out. That's the thing, is like on the SPY, or on, was it the SPY? So I need to figure out what all this is. Position ratio. That means that like the ratio of what I have open right now. Assuming that all equals 100, right? 8 plus 6.75 plus 7.8. I wonder if there's a way. Where'd it go? I lost my corner there. Oh, look at this. There's this guy back here too. Need that. Oh, these are November 23rd. Or no, wait. November 10th. Okay, yeah. Here is the year. So these all end this week. And that's pretty good. Like I don't see there's any way but who knows. I know on Robinhood there's like, it tells you, maybe that's what this is, the open percentage. Yeah, it is. Okay. 16, so 3 of 16. Yeah, okay. So this is what I'm looking for. So basically we would want, so that's all we need to see is that line. All right. Let's do this. Really, that's all we need. Value. Quantity cannot. Price. No, I don't think I would need that. Small. Sorry, I'm just kind of getting used to all this. I don't know where everything can go, etc. I don't know. I'll mess with that later. It's necessity. All right. I don't want to just keep putting stuff out just to give it a go. The AMD under 92, also kind of worthless. What if we go out December 2? Yeah, see, that one's not too bad. Try that. Use the market. I wonder if I can just make those market. Assuming I could. Yeah, that one. So the only thing that I'm not seeing is I should be getting credit for these, but I wonder if I thought you get that up front. I don't know if that's just a paper trading thing. I don't really know how that works. I mean, am I even doing this right? Like, am I selling the put? I feel like when I was watching a couple of tutorials, they were on Robinhood, but they literally had a button where they could hit sell. I mean, is it when you click single option? Yeah, side sell. Okay. So it's on the order screen that I gotta look. Just out of curiosity, let's take a more risky one here. So 106. Let's go end of this week. 6. Pretty decent looking area. 7. So yeah, let's do 106. Look at that 107. It's so much more. Just do 107 because I want to, like I said, I want to try to get placed in some of these just because. How are we looking on the real trading? Just plug in that line. There's no news, I don't think, until, is it Wednesday? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Wednesday at 9:15. It says that's odd. It says Powell is speaking at 9:15. Usually he speaks at like 10:30. Interesting. Oh, guys, I have to go. I totally forgot. I have to do something. Sorry. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I totally forgot. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow morning.